Hi, my name is Tegan and welcome back to our ON24 Genius Bar. And today I'm going to be discussing the surveys option and how it can be used to your advantage. So the survey can be used either at the beginning, during, or at the end of the webinar, and it can be used as feedback for you to know if you can improve things in your next webinar and what kind of faults or positives you've had. So to do this, you can go to the engagement tools in the top and then click survey. I've already set it up, so I've got it here. So you can just close that. I already got it here. And you can also adjust the size if you'd like, so you can fit to there. I'm just going to move this up here just so you can see everything. So to edit, you're going to click this settings tool up here and you're going to click configuration. So the first thing you're going to do is type in a title. I've already preset this, but I'm just going to go through. So title, I've just put how was the webinar, and the description on what the survey is going to be about. So we would like to know your feedback on our webinar. So the survey can be shown on the menu dock or when the live webcast ends, or both. So on the menu dock is either they can choose to answer the survey throughout the webinar or it can automatically pop up when it ends. So this plus button here is to add questions. So I've added one question first and I just said, do you feel that this was helpful? And I chose multiple choice, single answer, and it is optional. So we're just going to do an example here. We're going to click plus, and we're going to click the type of question. So this multiple choice, single answer, multiple choice, multiple answers, or text box. So for this example, we're going to click text box. And the question, just for today's example, we're just going to click how are you? Just an easy question. And then required, this is making sure that if you want the question to be compulsory or they don't have to answer it. For this example, we're just going to click required. And once you're happy with all those changes and you don't need to add any more questions, you're going to click save and close. And there are your questions, and you're going to save the whole thing. And you're going to see it's all going to pop up here. All your questions will pop up here, and then you can put it back to where it was, and then you're done doing the surveys.